Hello guys, so today Appa's making Fiji style prawn curry. This is so good and the way he makes it is so good. So here we got the prawns, see?
Peeled prawns.
Peeled prawns, just the tail left. See?
Yeah.
See? The prawns. We got curry leaf here, we got jeera sarso, we got cloves, we got hardi, chili powder, masala, we got onions here, garlic, chili, which is gonna go in here to mash. We got the tomatoes, but we have to get the orange ones. Try to get the orange ones because they're more bitter, and we don't have to put the turmeric in. We got the coriander, and let's get started. So now guys, you can see I'm gonna put in the onions, 2 onions, half a cup.
Do onion and cut.
Yeah, and I'll put that in once the oil's heated. See? And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for these onions to get brown. And now guys, you can see the onions are brown.
Put them brown kar diya iske.
See?
Yeah.
They're all brown. This is how you need
brown
it. Yeah. This is how you need it. See? Now we're gonna add the what we're gonna add now is the jeera sarso here, see, and the curry leaf. But the curry leaf gonna pop, so we're gonna come back and do it. Oh. See that? So now it's good now.
Yeah, it's not doing it. Brown kar diya.
Brown. See? And now we're gonna add the jeera sarso.
Jeera sarso इसमें हम cloves भी छोड़ा देखा है.
Cloves to see the cloves too.
बहुत नहीं छोड़ता.
Not too much.
Yeah, और है ना.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
Yeah.
And then we got the jeera sarso. See? So now we're gonna do is we're gonna add the mash too. The garlic and the see? Garlic and the chili. That's going in. See that? Now we're gonna add all the masalas, the masala, haldi and chili powder. See? Like that. All this.
Chili powder नहीं रहा, paprika रहा.
Oh,
paprika. थोड़ा से paprika छोड़ देता.
Yeah.
थोड़ा से कला कर देता.
Color, yeah.
कला.
Put the paprika in for the color.
Chili powder में नहीं बहुत छोड़ता.
Yeah.
इसमें already इसमें छोड़ दिया chili.
Yeah.
Garlic कसेंगे फिर.
Yeah.
Hey.
So now we're gonna add the tomato in. See? See? Tomato
छोड़े से
and some salt.
छोड़ के
And then put the salt.
छोड़ेगा.
And then they'll
थोड़ा से पानी छोड़ता जब
see?
राइट तो हम टमाटर अभी गलाएगा.
Yeah, it's gonna melt the tomatoes. See? We're not gonna let that cook. See? My sister over there playing. We practice usually during cooking. Papa cooks. See? Alright, so now what we're gonna do
अब हम टमाटर के पानी थोड़ा छोड़ के
is a little more
गलाते
honey in the
थोड़ा
tomato.
सा पानी छोड़ा देना.
Yeah.
टमाटर
Just to melt the tomato.
Right.
Alright, so now what we do is we let that cook. Guys, you can see it's all melted and
गल गए.
this dish, but this dish man,
तेल में देना यार.
yeah, see, just in the oil.
Right. हाँ. ये गल गए. डूब गए ना.
So now it's all melted here. Now we're gonna do is gonna add the jinga, the prawns. But this dish, I'm telling you, this dish is the best. Right. Now you can see jinga's in there, the prawns is in there. Now we're gonna mix it up. See? Look at that. Ooh.
So say another 5 minutes.
Another 5 minutes. And then it's done.
Ginger put ini mango potong.
Yeah. The ginger, don't have to overcook it too much. Alright. So now what we're gonna do? We're gonna wait. So now guys, it's the seal here. Okay. Now Hapa's gonna do, he's gonna add the coriander in. But Hapa, make sure when you always make food, never forget the coriander.
Never.
Never. Coriander is the main
Tapi
thing.
bulta ni bina coriander ke kanan ni bina.
Without the coriander, Hapa doesn't make food.
Right.
Even if we're out, go to the
Yeah.
shop to get some.
Yeah, nice and thick.
Nice and thick and runny, see? Good. So now we're going to add the coriander. Okay. See? So now this is basically done. So now guys, food is done. Let's see. Okay. Sauce.
Ah, storage nama. Roti dana.
This is delicious, Alpha.
Yeah. Broccoli. Give me that dish there. Cuma उस ऊपर रख के मैं टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ. Dal with season. Dal with drumsticks. Season. Relish. It's a dead in the old lake kind of dress. Banyak telur tak? 5 telur. Makan mana kau? Slice the rice. It's a rice.
Mau tidur mau tinggal? Ada. Apa? Lontong mau tinggal?
No, not really. नहीं आओ लो तो तारी छोड़ो उसके छोड़ो बाबू लो बेटा
Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye.
बाय करो